New pocket option pullback strategy with 2 moving averages. We exploit price rebounds on the moving average only by following the trend. This strategy opens trades as soon as a change in trend is confirmed by the bounce on the SMA 7 moving average. The signal is opened only in the direction of the main trend indicated by the moving average SMA 50. We trade on the pocket option OTC market because it pays 92% and is always open every day. Let's open the pocket option chart. If you don't yet have this broker, you can sign up via the link in the description. We use Japanese 1-minute candles, expires 1-minute closing candle, graphical pocket option OTC, 7-period SMA moving average SMA period 50. After installing the indicators with the recommended parameters and colors of your choice, this is how the trading graph appears. In the figure, we see 2 SMA moving averages, the 7-period one in yellow and the 50-period one in blue. To begin, let's identify a situation in which prices follow a well-defined trend. As can be seen in the figure, prices tend to bounce on the moving average. The period of the moving average is 7. At the end of the video, there are examples to master the strategy. Entry rule. The price approaches the curve, touches it, or slightly exceeds it. The operation opens during the movement of the candle, with expiry at the close of the current candle, 1-minute flag expiry selection. Warning: do not open positions if there are less than 30 seconds left before the candle closes. Open positions only in the direction of the trend according to these rules. Call open if the candles are above the blue 50-period moving average and the moving average curve has a bullish direction. Open put if the candles are below the blue 50-period moving average. The moving average curve has a bearish direction. Attention! If the curves have discordant directions, for example, one goes up and one goes down, no positions are opened, as in the figure. Position opening. As soon as the candle reaches the vicinity of the 7 moving average yellow curve, the position is opened. The trade will expire at the close of the candle. If there are less than 30 seconds left until the close, you will not enter. Example of call opening. Example of put opening. We leave you with the video examples. Click like and subscribe so you don't miss any further updates. Free PDF and full review at the link below.